The assessment for day 11 asks you to self-execute some code as you would on paper, just to make sure you understand the mechanics of the while loop. So I'm not going to run this code, we're going to work it out and then run it and see if we get the right answer. As you see here, there are two variables, xpos and ypos. There's going to be a while loop that will run for a certain amount of time. And then when the while loop is done, the print will occur. Let's first try to understand when the while loop will stop. There's no break statement in there. So as long as it is true that xpos is smaller than ypos, then the while loop will continue. And in fact, the very first thing you should ask is, do I even start the while loop in the first place? Since xpos is 1 and ypos is 5, 1 is less than 5, so I know that I'm at least going to do the while loop once. First time through, xpos is 1, ypos is 5. Make a little note of that over here on the side. And now let's execute these two statements in order. The first one says, assign xpos to be the old value of xpos times 2. So this now becomes 2. When I get to line 8, it says, take the value of ypos, add 4 to ypos. So now this becomes 9. I'm done with these two statements. Now I go back to the while declaration and check, is it still the case that xpos is smaller than ypos? The answer is yes. So I'm going to do the while loop again. Xpos gets the value of xpos times 2, so that becomes 4. And the value of ypos becomes 9 plus 4, 13. I go back again. It's still the case that xpos is smaller than ypos, so let me continue. Xpos now doubles again to become 8. And ypos adds 4 to become 17. As you can see, this is a race between xpos, which is doubling, and ypos, which is only adding. At some point, as you can imagine, a number that doubles will certainly be much larger than a number that's only added to a constant amount. Xpos is still less than ypos, so I go in. Xpos doubles again to be 16. Ypos adds 4 to be 21. Xpos is still less than ypos, so now I go one more time. Xpos doubles to be 32. Ypos adds 25. Now, it's important to note the following. At this point, I have now doubled xpos, so it is the case that 32 is greater than 21. But the only time that you check the guard of a while loop is at the beginning. And it first checked as 16 less than 21, which it was the case. So then I doubled xpos, and now I have to go ahead and add 4 to ypos. So now ypos gets to be 25. Only now I go back here and check. And here, 32 is not smaller than 25, so then this logical condition is false, so the while loop terminates, and then I print. So I should print, when I run this, 32 and 25, as you see there. This is one of the skills that a programmer has, is to look at some code on paper and try to work it out manually. And the reason is because sometimes you don't understand why your program isn't working, and the only way to really figure it out is to go through step by step and intelligently understand what it is that you wrote. It's a very brief assessment for day 11. This now completes it.